Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Aditya Ganjilal and again I'm back with another editing video in Lightroom. So today I'm going to mix two elements and make a perfect edited photo. So meet you after the intro. Stay tuned. So today is an experiment day. So I'm going to mix moody dark with urban. So let's begin with the video without wasting any time and let's see what happens with this experiment. So first import your photo, go to the develop section, go to the basic settings, click auto. It will set the parameters. Then I've already made the moody dark preset. I'm going to tweak it and mix it with the urban element. So first, contrast at 0, exposure at 0, highlights should be around at 53, whites will be around at 60, 61, blacks is at perfect place, shadows should be around plus 65. Now for the urban element, to get into this photo, you have to crank up the clarity button. So as you can see, there is definition coming into the photo. If I keep it at 0, definition is gone. Now I will crank it up till 70 will be fine. Dehaz a little bit, 26 is perfect. Saturation will be at down minus 35 because I don't want it to be so much punchy. I want the urban look with a moody dark feeling. Vibrance I'm keeping at 0. So the basic tab is done. Now go to the tone curve. I'm going to give it a fade look. As you know, if you have seen my previous videos, I love fade look. So now go to the Hue, Saturation and Luminance tab. I will crank green up a little bit, crank down yellow and orange at 0, yellow at minus 70, green at minus 23, and nothing to be done over here. Go to the Details tab, go to Manual Noise Reduction. If you have a powerful machine, then you can use this denoise button. It will automatically denoise your photo. The Lightroom will do it for you, but I don't have a powerful machine right now, so I'm using the manual mode. So I'm going to keep it around 20 and the detailing around 60. Detailing is done. Go to the Effects tab, minus 14 vignetting, and 60 is the midpoint. It is done, but still our photo does not have that kind of a pop-up look. So what we are going to do is go to this profile Adobe color, click on to these 4 squares and click this artistic 6 and set the amount at 75. Now close the tab and here you go with the moody dark urban look. This is the before and after. So guys, if you like the video, then please do share it with your friends, comment and subscribe to my channel for this amazing editing contents like this. And also I'm coming up with something different, and there are tons of reels that I'm posting into my YouTube account, shorts, Also, follow my Instagram for various photos and see the complete series of this urban section in my Instagram. And also, please share it with your friends and please subscribe to make me feel to bring this kind of contents to you more and more. So, see you in the next video. Again, I will bring something new, something different for you guys. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, sayonara, ciao, adios, guys.